time for some fun with demolitions, mate. Get in the safety pit, Soap.
I am actively trying to shoot you for giving me attitude.
Get in the safety pit, Soap.
You don't tell me what to do, Sergeant Newcastle. Okay, he died. Corporal Field.
It's time for some fun with demolitions,
Invincible.
mate. Pick up those
Gas.
frag grenades and get in the safety
Invincible.
pit.
For most of the game. Spoiler alert.
Get in the safety pit, Soap.
But Sergeant Newcastle here can die. What about you, Lipton? I don't care, Lipton. I'm gonna kill you.
Get in the safety pit, Soap.
Okay, I just heard the blood splatter.
Now throw a grenade into windows 2, 3 and 4.
I threw it near the window. Does that count? Damn it. I'm probably going to waste this military's budget on grenades. Sorry, Newcastle. I kind of felt like doing it, you know. You know how it is, you just want to throw a grenade at someone and you do.
Equip the C4, Soap. Follow me. It seems my ex-wife was kind enough to donate her car to furthering your education, Soap.
Does your ex-wife know that she donated her car?
Come back around and pick up some C4 off the table.
See, this demolitions thing is just proving why
Equip
I
the
would be
C4,
allowed in
Soap.
the military.
Follow me. It seems my ex-wife was kind enough to donate her car to furthering your education, Soap.
Okay, I just
Place
pressed
the
the wrong button.
C4 on the indicated spot.
I no longer have C4. Okay, so I killed someone that time.
Come back around and pick up some C4 off the table. Equip the C4, Soap. Follow me. It seems my ex-wife was kind enough to donate her car to furthering your education, Soap. Place the C4 on the indicated
Aw, I
spot.
couldn't blow up the vehicle. That sucks.
Now get a safe distance from the explosives. Fire in the hole! Much improved.
You seemed
All right,
way
so
too
you passed
happy.
the weapons evaluation.
I'm starting to feel like maybe that was actually your ex-wife's car. And if so, I'm fairly certain you should also not be allowed in the military.